name is Tyler Keeper at jtech, and today what we're going to do is diagnosing a window. Today the customer had a complaint that their right rear window wasn't working, so we're going to find out his problem. So just to make sure, we're going to look at the battery so we can have make sure we have proper voltage. We're going to switch this to voltage. Okay, there. And what you always want to do is make sure which is which. So this will be the positive, this will be negative. So make sure like positive and negative here. As you see, about 12.22 volts. So that's good voltage there. Okay. So what we're going to do is to verify the concern. So we're gonna go over here and make sure all the windows work. See if they do. So we're gonna go by the driver first. Make sure these switches work.
Careful. You shut her damn Tesla in the door.
Oh, my bad. So we're gonna make sure. See, this one works. This one over here works. That one works. That one will work. Then tear this window, the concern window. That one ain't working. Put the wrong switch in the So that one's working. Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're going to test these windows out. This one here is the main concern here. So, and this one don't work, so we'll find out the problem out in that one. And this one right here works. So, what we're going to do. So there's power going to the front. So this is where we're going to find the wiring schematics. So I'm going to get the tablet over here. So here you see we have our wiring schematics. So this is, I'm going to read it out to you. So this little box here, this will be the power switch, master switch, window switch. These little three are the switches. This is the front passenger side power window switch. This is the right rear window switch and the left rear window switch. Okay, and we come down. Now this box is we have a left front rear window regulator motor, and this box is the left front power window regulator motor as well. And this little big box here is the instrument, you see, which is the
I know more than him and him.
this should be the, well, this says the instrument panel, but yeah, that's the wiring schematics there. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this over here and we're going to troubleshoot the window to see if we can get it to work. So we're going to go over here. All we'll do is take the door panel off. Switch out. Take the switch out there, and we'll take the door panel. Okay. Now as you see, this don't work here. So what we're going to do, we're going to troubleshoot it to see if we can't get this motor to at least go down. So according to the wiring schematic, this is the left, the right rear window switch. We're going to look at this one right here. This is the switch. So in order to do this red wire is the hot wire, always hot. So in order to do this, what we need to do is to connect this red and this red together, and then take, which is giving power this way. So and then you're gonna take the violet, which is the purple, and connect it to the green, and that should make it go down. So this is where we won't try it. So you can see here we've got our wires. Sure. Nice and pointy. So we're going to connect the small red with the big red. Okay. And then to make it go down, we should take the purple and connect it with the green. So I'm going to take this little wire. Make sure this is. First of all, though, by mistake, first of all, we should always confirm that you should have power to the side. Make sure we have no bad relay or a bad fuse connected to a ground somewhere. So now when I touch the little red wire right here, which is always hot, it should light up. So I touch it, and you see we don't have no power here. So this confirms we have a good ground. Make sure we have a good ground here. And touch it again. Well, done fell off. There we go. Touch the red again. And you see we don't have no power. So this is where we need to check the fuses to make sure we have power. So let's go to the front and we're going to check the fuses. Right, so I need to find the ground here. There's to a good ground. So that's how we're going to test the fuses, make sure they're all pressed in. So see that? Good fuse. See, that's a little loose there. Ground. So this little fuse here is a little loose. Yep. This one is loose, but it's not blown. Okay. So let's see. In order to find where the fuse is, let's see. There it is. Nothing. Good. Pause it. See. Pause it. Don't stop, just pause. Yeah, there you go. See how wide it is. Alright. So now we have someone pulled out the fuse on us. So we should have some power now. See, now we have power. So we know there's fuse and the relays are good since we have power come up here. So now this is where we should diagnose it. Here. Alright, so now like I said, the little wire on here. So, like I said, the red, to make it go down, we'll connect small red with big red. Now, if we power touch the green, and we go to touch the green with the purple, it should go down. As you see, the window just went down. So now to make sure if it's the switch, what I'm going to do is take the switch from the other side that does work and stick it on here. Screwdriver here. Now we'll take the switch off. This is the good switch on the other side, and this was a switch on this door. So to find out if, since we got the motor, able to get the motor to go down, but his motor works, we'll find out if it's the switch. So I'm gonna take this plug, switch here. If it goes down, it means it's switched. And you see, as it's working, so this tells me that it is the, we have a faulty switch. So we're gonna have to get a new one. So my name is Tyler Kiefer, and thank you for watching.